calorie in fried chicken. This is fried chicken meat, and we're about to estimate its calorie content. All right, so this is chicken, and this is chicken breast, so the fat, the skin is not there, and it's fried. So when you're estimating calorie in something that is fried, you have to be estimating the calories in two different things: the chicken and the oil. So this is 3 exchanges. Remember, I said 30 gram is equivalent to 1 exchange, and it is 70 calories. And here we have about 120, but when you deduct the bones, the weight of the bones, you're left with 90 gram chicken, and that is 3 exchanges, which is 210 calories. How did I get that? If 30 gram is 70 calories, 90 gram chicken will be what? 210 calories. Just multiply 30 gram times what? 3 exchanges, 3 portions, and it will give you what? 210 calories. Then to factor in the oil, this is a general rule of thumb. When you fry, just estimate a tablespoon absorbed in that food product. A tablespoon. Now, for a tablespoon, you have 3 teaspoons inside a tablespoon. You have 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon, and if 1 teaspoon will give you 45 calories, then 3 teaspoons will give you 135 calories. So when you add 135 calories of oil absorbed in this meat to the original calorie of the chicken, which is 210 calories, you have, what do you have? 210 calories from the chicken plus 135 calories from the oil, which is 1 tablespoon. You have 345 calories. Yes, you have 345 calories. So this is 345 calories from your chicken. Is that correct? Are you clear? Good.